Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps and not opening problem. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So if you're experiencing issues with Microsoft Store not downloading apps and not opening, there could be various underlying causes. Here are some troubleshooting steps that you can try to resolve the problem. So first, check internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. If your internet is slow or unstable, it can affect the functionality of the Microsoft Store. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network. Next, restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and allow the Microsoft Store to function properly. Then, clear Microsoft Store cache. Clearing the cache of the Microsoft Store may help fix download and operating issues. Here's how you can do it. So first of all, press the R to open the press the Start button or Windows key on your keyboard and then the R to run the Run dialog. After that, type wsreset.exe. Okay, so after you've typed that, press enter. So this will reset the Microsoft Store cache. So next, update Windows. Make sure your Windows operating system is up to date with the latest updates and patches. So to do that, go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Windows Update, and check for any pending updates. Next, run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Windows has built-in troubleshooters that can automatically detect and fix common issues related to the Microsoft Store. So here's how to run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. So first of all, go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Troubleshoot. Under Find and Fix Other Problems, select Windows Store Apps. Click on Run the Troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, check Date and Time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes cause issues with the Microsoft Store. Verify that your date and time settings are correct by right-clicking on the date and time in the taskbar and selecting Adjust Date and Time. Next, check proxy settings. If you use a proxy server, ensure that the proxy settings are configured correctly. So to do that, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Proxy. And make sure the settings are set to your preferences. Next, disable proxy or VPN. If you're using proxy or VPN, try disabling it temporarily as it might interfere with the Microsoft Store functionality. Next is to reset Microsoft Store. If the problem persists, you can try resetting the Microsoft Store, so this will revert the app to its default settings. Okay, so to do that, open Settings, go to App, then Apps and Features. Scroll down and find Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store and then click on the Advanced Options link. Click the Reset button to reset the app. And the last one is to check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall and antivirus software are not blocking the Microsoft Store from functioning correctly. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, there might be more complex issues with your system that require further investigation. In such cases, consider reaching out to Microsoft support or seeking help from technical forums where experts can provide more personalized assistance based on your specific system configuration. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!